Hello, Detective Mealsy's here. 200 servings? Yusef, right? Looks like we have a mystery on our hands. First day on the job. I need to check over all my suspects. I'll find your chicken, Yusef. Oops! Can't forget my interrogation device. The light will shine the truth out of any suspect. Suspicious. So, Rosha. What do you know about the 200 servings of chicken that were taken from the cafeteria this January?
What?
It seems like from the sign on your door you like chicken very much.
I've literally been sitting here since break.
What are you doing on this computer? Are you scheming?
I'm watching a Bollywood movie.
Looks like you're off the hook for now.
Hello, Detective Mealsy? Yes, this is the CCIA here. We received your request for technical assistance, and I'm here with your first lead. We're suspicious of a girl named Bar Sapir Sarafov, an Israeli at your school because, well, the Israelis are always up to something.
Wow, I'll head right over. Should I knock? Or should I just barge in? Okay, I'll knock. She's sleeping. But it's daytime. That must leave the night for suspicious activity. Bye, Amelia. I'll check her room to see if there's any evidence. Maybe chicken scraps or something. What? She's sleeping again and it's nighttime. I guess she can't be the criminal.
Hello?
Hello?
Detective Mealsy? Yes, we have a lead pointing to the third shower on floor 200, Mont Blanc dormitory.
A lead? I'll head right over. about the great chicken heist of 2015?
Nothing. What are you talking about?
What were you doing on that very night in January?
I'm taking a shower right now. I was just at home that night.
Why are you getting so nervous and confused? Why are you sweating so much? Is it possibly due to food poisoning? Did you eat 200 servings of raw chicken?
What? What are you talking about? What do you want from me, huh? What do you want this? Huh? Do you want this? Or this? Or this? Some of these have been from years ago. There's more where this came from. I have a whole box right here.
We'll have to keep an eye on him. Hold on, I've got a call. Detective Mills is on the scene.
Unfortunately, this is our very last lead for you. All our other information has dried up. But this morning we got an anonymous tip that the college counselor at UWC-USA was seen eating in the caf for the very first time on the night of the theft. We think you should check it out.
I'll head right over. Hi, Bernicia.
Hey, how you doing?
Have you submitted my college recommendation yet?
Of course. Did that way back in December. Amelia? What you doing?
What do you know about the chicken wing heist of 2015?
Excuse me? Chicken wings? The chicken wing heist?
What do you know about the 200 servings of raw chicken that were stolen from the cafeteria this January?
Okay, Amelia, I know I'm black. Maybe that means I should like chickens. Maybe it means that you think I have an issue with chicken wings. In fact, I don't like chicken wings. If you know anything about me, talk to any girl in Akron. Don't like chicken wings. Get out of my office. My office. Thanks.
What was that? I don't know if that was racist or not. Oh my God. Oh no, we're out of leads. What will I do now? Oh look, a clue. Smells fresh. And like chicken. You! Stop right there! Too fast, but it looked very fat. Very fast for having consumed 200 servings of raw chicken. I guess this mystery will just never be solved.
I don't know how to love you. I just don't. You never let me into your life.